evening, Mandal. I'm Shada from Teachers Couple Talks channel. Share our channel, subscribe our channel, and thank you about your comments and likes about our channel. Thank you for everything you share about us and your absolute love about our channel. Thank you very much. It's getting into the topic today. Our topic is connective tissue system in animals. Today our topic is tissue system in animals. Depending upon the functions of tissues, depending upon the functions of tissues are divided into Tissues are divided into epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, and nervous tissue. Epithelial tissue. What is epithelial tissue? The outer covering of the body is called epithelial tissue, and this epithelial tissue receives stimuli and secretes glands, chemicals through glands. It is also it may be single layered or multi layered. It is also present in inner lining of intestinal and respiratory organs. Connective tissue binds the organs and keeps in position in connects tissues and keeps in connection and holds the tissues in position. The outer surface has the function of protection, producing outer structures like hair, nails, thorns and feathers. What is how does it help? It helps in internal lining of intestinal and respiratory organs. It has cilia-like structures which help in transforming food materials and mucus. Next, it helps in many ways in protection. It may be single layered or multi layered. It may be flat, conical, conical, cuboid, cylindrical, or long. These structures. Next, connective tissue. What is connective tissue? Connective tissue is made up is another tissue which helps in binding the organs within the and transfer of food materials, storage of fat, and helps in binding the tissues together to form organs and holds the organs in position. It also helps when there is injury to the organ when the tissue ruptures. Next, areolar, depending upon the function, the connective tissue is divided into few types. First is areolar connective tissue. Areolar connective tissue is a connective tissue which helps in binding the organs and keeps a hole in position and helps in transfer of food materials and also helps in transfer of food materials and also helps the tissue when there is injury or mechanical muscular injury. Next, cartilage. What is cartilage? Cartilage is another tissue present in bone, present in tips of ribs, tips of nose, tip of nose and from tracheals. These invertebrates, in embryos of certain vertebrates are made up of cartilage. There is no bone. In fishes like sharks, there is no bone. The cartilage tissue is present. This is not as hard as a bone. Next, bone. Bone is the tissue which helps the major part of skeletal system which protects the sensitive organs which present which inside keeping inside the skeletal system. It protects sensitive organs and helps the body from mechanical injuries. What is bones are produced inside osteocytes. Bones are made up of calcium phosphate, calcium carbonate. These salts are produced by the cells called osteocytes. Osteocytes are produced inside the center of the bone called bone marrow. Ligament. What is ligament? Ligament is present at the bone joints. Bone joints are called fibrous. Bone joints are fibrous and are connected by a tissue called fibrous tissue, which is made up of a protein called collagen. Tendon. What is tendon? Tendon is a connective tissue which connects the muscle tissue with bone tissue. It is also made up. It is also a fibrous tissue made up of a protein called collagen. Epiocytes. Epiocytes are the fat connective tissue which connects muscle tissue, which connects other tissues which are fat made, helps for fat storage also. Next, next, blood tissue. Blood is also a connective tissue. It has amino, glucose, amino acids, proteins, vitamins, and hormones. Blood has a cells called three types, which are called corpuscles: red blood corpuscles, white blood corpuscles, and blood platelets. Red blood corpuscles. Red blood corpuscles are red in color, which has inside an iron pigment called hemoglobin, so they are red in color. They are produced inside the bone marrow. They help in flow of blood circulation and helps in transfer of oxidation food materials. White blood corpuscles. White blood corpuscles defend the body from external and internal diseases. White blood corpuscles are white in color due to the absence of pigment called hemoglobin. They are produced at the site of spleen. Next, blood platelets. What are blood platelets? Blood platelets are another tissues which are called which are made up with blood platelets are the tissues which helps when clotting the blood when their injury is occurred. Next, muscle tissue. Muscles help in movement of the bones with the help of when the stimulation by the stimulation of nervous system. Muscle cell is connected with muscle cell is connected with bone tissue through a nerve cell. Then this when the muscle helps in contraction and expansion, helps in movement of bones of legs and hands and other organs by the stimulation of nerve cell. So by the contract with the contraction and the contraction and expansion of bones of muscle cell, with the help of muscles with stimulation of nerve cell, the muscles are divided into striated muscles and unstriated muscles. When the striated muscles contract, the bone uplifts and with the stimulation of nerve cell. When the muscles tissue is relaxes, there is expansion of tissue and the expansion of tissue, contraction and expansion of tissue with the help of by the stimulation of muscles, nerve cell. Then this is called the unstriated cells. Then unstriated cells. Contraction is helped by striated muscles and relaxation is helped by unstriated muscles with the help of stimulation of nerve cells, now connective tissues. Then next, what is cardiac muscles? Cardiac muscles are present inside the heart and helps in contraction and expansion of heart, that is systole and diastole of heart by relaxation and expansion of heart muscles. The heart muscles, these are called cardiac muscles. Now, nerve tissue, nerve tissue. Nerve tissue is a tissue which is present, helps the external stimuli from the brain. It is with the help. What is it? How is it look like? It looks like a spherical shape, branch dendrites with nasal granules, with an elongated axon covered with mycelium sheath and with dendrites at the bottom. The stimulation is carried from one nerve cell to another nerve cell through dendrites. So there the nervous system. So there are connective tissue. The functions of with their functions there are connective tissue. The tissues are tissues. So thank you one and all. Thank you one and all. Share our channel. Subscribe our channel. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you about likes and comments, and also your love about our channel. Thank you for all you have given. Thank you.